How to enable end-to-end encryption on WhatsApp? Want to enable end-to-end encryption on WhatsApp but don't know how to do? Here is a quick guide to enable end-to-end encryption on WhatsApp. Launch WhatsApp application on your device. Ensure to log in or sign into your account. Tap three dots at top right corner of the screen. Select Settings. Scroll down, locate Chats and open Chats. Scroll a bit down, tap Chat Backup. Scroll down, now tap End-to-End Encrypted Backup at bottom of the screen. Tap Turn On button, now tap Create Password. Type here the password which must contain at the 6 characters and 1 letter. Once done, tap Next button at the bottom of the screen and retype password. Now tap Next button and tap Create button to create your end-to-end encrypted backup. The encryption process will complete in the background, which may take some time. If you wish to create, tap Create, otherwise tap Cancel button. Once you have created, congratulations! You have successfully enabled end-to-end encryption on WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Subscribe and press the notification bell for more tech and tips. Thank you for watching.